when cutting my braces, what I tend to do is I just have a rule. I line it up by eye along the edge, visually along the edge, so make sure you've got enough overhanging on the rule, and then you line it up with the edge of your rail, and that's going to be pretty much, because the length of the rule at this point in relationship to the width of the brace, I can just run a line across there like so. Obviously at that point you do not want to move it, but then I go and do the other end, which you can't necessarily see. So it stands to reason that that mark I've just put on here should transfer down the sides of this brace. So the other way that I do it, so I'll use a bevel, and this is a bevel. Yeah, you've probably seen one of these before, and literally what you can do is you can do that so, and then you can set your angle like that. So what you can do is then I put that to the longest measurement, like there. Pull out as far as it goes basically. I then place it onto the brace and then line it up with my rail. Remembering at the moment I've already set my rails, they're already fixed to the shutter. And because they're already fixed to the shutter, they're not going to move about on you. So so then I have my angle. I can then transfer this to the saw blade. So I then take that to my chop saw. I can then set the angle of the chop saw. So I put this on the back fence of the chop saw and that to the blade, and then the angle should be correct. So that's the other way of doing it. But generally speaking, what I do is I just mark it like so, and in most cases I can do that by eye on the chop saw or my radial arm saw or my table saw, and in most cases it's pretty darn close each time. So I'm going to quickly just chop that and I can show you. So there you have it. As you can see, pretty much a perfect fit. So that's how I do it. So if you're thinking my other end is not tight as well, or not a good cut, I'll just grab this camera and show you. So you can see here, that's a fairly good cut that end as well. Oh, good cut, yeah, good joint there as well. So that's what I do. I hope that helps you, and I hope you'd be most kind to click like and subscribe. Well, I hope that helps you, and also equally, I hope you would be most kind and click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.